I'm Kelsie. As you can see, this is me, and there's my face on the screen. Um, this is the download that you got. Thank you so much for signing up for this. I worked really hard on it. I'm not a designer, so I probably worked harder on it than I needed to, but it was fun to create, and I hope it's full of lots of helpful information for you. I packed a lot in here, so I just want to run through it with you and just hit the highlights. All right, so you can learn more about me on this page, and then this is kind of like a welcome page, just to kind of ease you into the process. And then here is the quick list of the 6 tips. I just put them all on one page, so you just have a one-page reference if you need to go back to it. But I also went through them and kind of explained in more detail one by one what each step is about. So the first one, package. Okay, I did like the thing where I made them all start with letter P to be cute. So package is more about like how to store them. Obviously, I'm going to package them for you, but when you get them and you open the flowers, but you're not ready to use them yet, this tells you the best way to store them. And then before you put them on the cake, I recommend, sorry, I got distracted for a second there by my own head. I recommend putting the flowers together in like a little bouquet type thing. I have an example here. Oh dear. Okay. Okay, so I have an example here. As you can see, this is the stem, but it's got all of these flowers attached to it, and I just attached them with floral wire. So it's a lot easier to put this grouping of flowers, where's the camera? It's a lot easier to put this grouping of flowers onto a cake than it would be each piece individually. So this is what I mean by wrapping them in floral tape. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is try to protect the flowers from the icing, because the messier it gets, the harder it is to clean, and it's just easier if you prep them in advance. So I recommend sticking this floral tape wire into a smoothie straw and sticking the smoothie straw into the cake. I also have some links here for things that you can use. Some of these are affiliate links, but I'm recommending stuff that I use in pie, and it's not going to cost you money. And let's be honest, I made $11 in affiliate commissions in 2022. So it's not exactly my main source of income. It's just something I'm trying to see if it works, see if it pays off. Make $11 a year putting affiliate links in PDFs. Anyway, getting off track again. This video was not supposed to be this long. Okay, so finally, place the flowers on the cake. Position them in an aesthetically pleasing way, which basically just means don't make them symmetrical. Don't overthink it. Trust me. Nature doesn't overthink it. You don't have to overthink it. And then finally, to preserve them, I recommend wiping the petals off after you're done with like a damp paper towel, like barely damp. Or you can use rubbing alcohol on the paper towel because it evaporates faster. But if this gets too wet, it's going to melt. And then for long-term storage, you can use like one of these acrylic boxes that's UV protected. I linked to it in the PDF as well. And that's how I store my sugar flowers for my wedding cake. And then there's just a little notes page for you. I usually write notes on like scrap paper, so it's always nice to have a designated spot for your notes. And then just some contact information. So reach out if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.